As we mentioned in a previous video, iOS 11 now has screen recording built into the iPad. So if you swipe to your control center, you'll see that I have already added screen recording to my control center. Now, if you're not sure, you don't remember how to do that, you'll open up Settings, and on the left-hand side, you will see Control Center, and then you can customize controls. You will want to make sure that screen recording is added as an option in order to do that. So whenever I open my control center, if you hold down on screen recording, you're going to have several options that pop up. One is to start recording, but you also have a microphone audio option, and you're going to want to make sure that is turned on if they are trying to capture audio. If you're simply capturing what's on the screen and you don't want the audio, maybe a student is working in the classroom and there's a lot of background noise, you can simply turn the microphone off and then you can still do your screen recording. So you'll see that once it starts to record, there's a red light that will pulse, and that lets me know this is recording. The other thing is on my home screen, I will see the red bar at the top. And whenever I'm done doing my screen recording in iOS 11, I can tap on that red bar and it will ask me if I'm ready to stop the screen recording. So let's say that I'm doing my research and I'm a student and I want to add a verbal explanation of what I've been doing, and I can share that immediately with my teacher. Well, I might open my notes and I may have some notes about this panda. This is part of my project, and I want to share with my teacher so that my teacher can access anytime, anywhere, and I don't have to necessarily be there in person during the conference. So I could explain as the student what I have in my notes, why I maybe isolated this image, why I have that markup, and even as a student or a teacher, while I'm video recording, I can use all the features of that application. Another added feature in iOS 11 to the camera is the ability to scan a QR code without the need of any other application. So if I am a teacher in the classroom and I have a student who is using a QR code, or multiple students and I have it projected, if they open up their camera and they scan a QR code, you'll see that it asks me to open in Safari. So it populates at the top of the camera screen, and then it will navigate me to the site and to the page where I would like to go. So I can create QR codes that will navigate to websites, that will navigate to files, that will navigate to pretty much anything I want. And then the students, when they scan, they don't need an app downloaded. It will populate within the camera screen. They choose it as a notification box and they can navigate there. That is built into iOS 11, and it saves the need to make sure that the students have that downloaded and that it's working properly.